This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuler. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath log home featuring seasonal mountain views and a thoughtfully designed split floor plan for privacy and comfort. The spacious living room boasts vaulted ceilings and a cozy wood-burning fireplace, perfect for relaxing evenings. The primary suite includes a jacuzzi tub, double vanity, and a large walk-in closet, providing a true retreat. The well-appointed kitchen offers ample counter space and is open to the dining room area. The sunroom is ideal for enjoying your morning coffee while taking in the peaceful surroundings. The finished basement offers a second living room, kitchen, bathroom, extra sleeping area, laundry hookups, and a large tool room. Outside, you'll find 2 paved driveways allowing for plenty of parking with 3 garage spaces and a fenced-in yard, ideal for pets or entertaining. With so many features, this home is a must-see. Schedule your tour today. For more information